Alrighty, let's take a look at number 2. In question number 2, you're assessed on how to multiply integers presented in a word problems format. Question 2 reads, a sorority has 28 members. If each member donates 14 items for a charitable event, how many items will there be for the charity? Alright, so to get us started with this, let's go over the formula that's going to guide our problem solving process. Okay? Alright, so the formula for total amount. Now, just a real quick reminder, if you would like to gain access to all the formulas that you need to know to do well on the Accuplacer, visit our website at mathgotserved.com under Accuplacer, and then you have all the must-know formulas in order to do well on the Accuplacer exam, so do check it out. All right, so total amount is equal to number per unit multiplied by the number of units. Okay, so let's go ahead and adapt this problem to this particular formula. All right, so in this particular formula, we're asked to find how many items total. Okay, so number of total items donated. All right, so to get the total items donated, which represents the total amount, we're going to be computing the number per member, number donated per member, all right, because each member donates exactly the same amount, all right, multiplied by what? The number of members in the sorority, number of members. So this is the formula that we're going to be using to carry out this calculation, okay? All right, so total items donated is going to be, let's plug in the values into the variable. So total items donated is going to be the number donated per member, or for each member. So each member donates 14 items. So it's going to be 14 multiplied by how many members in all? There are 28 members. So 14 times 28. Okay, so to carry out this, we're going to be carrying out our integer multiplication, 2-digit multiplied by 2 digits. All right, so let's do this. So we have 14 times 28. Make sure you line it up perfectly by place value, or else your answer will be incorrect. Now we're going to start with the 8 in the ones place. So 8 times 4 is 32. So we have 2 carry 3. And then 8 times 1, 8 times 1 is 8 plus 3, that's 11. Okay, now we're going to advance to 2. We're going to multiply 2. Now, if you notice, 2 is in the tens place. So we're going to put a 0 here in the ones place to make sure that what we're multiplying lines up perfectly. So we now have 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. And then 2 times 1 is 2. Okay? See how it lines up perfectly. Now after multiplying, you're now going to add it up. And then you're going to have 392. That's the total number of items that were donated to the charity by the sorority. So our answer to number 2 is option letter D. Okay, so this is basically how you multiply 2-digit integer by another 2-digit integer. All right, so let's write down what our answer means. A total of 392 items were donated by the 28 members of the sorority. All right, so there goes your answer right there. Time to watch this presentation. I really appreciate it. If you found the contents of this tutorial helpful in your studies preparation for the Accuplacer, to give us a thumbs up. Your positive feedback is very valuable to us. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We upload math content to our YouTube page on a regular basis. So subscribe so you can get notified and gain access to our content. As indicated earlier, if you have any questions or comments, just post it in the comment section below and we'll try our best to assist. If you want to gain access to our interactive practice tests, the must-know formulas for the Accuplacer, and other valuable resources, do visit our website at mathgotserved.com or just take a look at the link in the description below. Thanks again for watching and have a wonderful day.